Alright, so on section 6.6, what we're going to talk about today is markdown. This happens a lot of times in retail outlets and whatnot like that, where they will mark down an item because they need to get rid of it. And, a couple weeks ago, or maybe more like a month or a month and a half ago or something like that, a lot of the retail stores like Target, Walmart, Kmart, whatever, were clearancing out their old toys. Why were they clearancing out about a month ago? To make room for the new ones for this coming Christmas season. Bless you, by the way, Brian. So, as far as markdown, it's got stores often promote products as sale prices, which are lower than their regular selling prices. The markdown or discount is the amount of money that you save by purchasing a product at the sale price. The markdown could be a dollar amount or markdown rate, which is a percent of the regular selling price, such as 20% off. Have you ever seen signs that say whatever percent off?
Yes.
Yeah, all the time. Two formulas for today, depending on whatever type that you have. First is going to be the regular selling price minus the sale price. So what they mean by this formula is if they give you both dollar amounts. Like if they say that this calculator was regularly $100, it's now on sale for $90. When you have the $2 amounts, you subtract them and that's how much you had saved. That's how much you got off. So in that particular context, regular price was 100, on sale for 90. 100 minus 90 is 10 bucks. So you saved yourself $10. So if they give you the dollar amounts, you subtract the $2 amounts to find out how much you saved or how much was marked down. The other type is more what you see in retail stores. Okay? Regular selling price multiplied by the markdown rate. Why do you think stores do that? Why do you think stores go and say 50% off retail price? Why do they do that instead of just saying what the price is, usually? Different prices sometimes. Some other things that I've thought about too is the fact that, do many people calculate what it is? No. They think it's a good deal. As soon as they see 50% off or more, they think it's a good deal, so therefore they're just more apt to buy it rather than actually calculating it. Okay? So the markdown rate, just so that you guys know, will always be a percent. So it'll say something like 20% off, 30% off, and so on. So when you're multiplying that, you need to make sure that you move the decimal over 2 spots to the left. So when it says 25%, you're going to multiply it by 0.25, and so on. Okay? So, number 1 says, Shirts R Us has a clearance on overstocked merchandise. Is any of that important? No. A long sleeve V-neck top that usually sells for $36 is on sale for $23. They want you to find the markdown. That's all we're focused on today is just how much are you saving. So am I going to multiply these or subtract these? Right. So what is 36 minus 23? $13. Thank you, Salone. $13. Okay, so that was number 1. You saved 13 bucks. Number 2, an outerwear coats and jackets are on sale. Big deal. A leather jacket is on sale for 40% off the regular selling price of $219.99. Are you going to add or subtract these or multiply these when it gives you the percentage? Multiply. Now, when it said 40%, What number do you put in there? Point 0.4. 2 spaces. 0.04 would be 4%. Okay, be careful with that. So what is $219.99 times 0.4?
Isn't it supposed to be 0.04?
Nope, 0.04 would be 4%. We're saving 40%.
All right.
87.996. So on that particular case, when you round to the nearest penny, that would bump everything up to 88 bucks. Now, is that how much the new jacket is? No, that's how much you're saving. We're not going to figure out what the regular selling price is until tomorrow. So today, you're just finding how much are you saving. What do you think so far? Okay, just so that you guys are aware of what 4 through 7 say on the chart. Number 4 says the item is a grill. The regular selling price is $169.99. The sale price is $99.99, and the markdown rate is X'd out there. That means that you just have the $2 amounts, so therefore you subtract them. You're not going to go find the markdown rate. Okay? And then when you get down to number 6, where it gives you the regular selling price, and then marked out is sale price, and then they give you the markdown rate, that's when you multiply. You do not need to find what the sale price is. Not yet. That's tomorrow. Okay? Are you okay with how we go forward with this assignment? It's either going to be you subtract them if they give you the $2 amounts, or you multiply them if they give you the dollar amount and the percentage. So on page 267 to 268, 1 and 2, 4 to 14.